If you sell on eBay and have thousands of products, you can now easily connect everything to Odoo ERP. Simply go to AdlerDoo, our middleware. Select eBay Marketplace and fill in your account details. After the integration, you will be able to manage all your products and stock directly from the Odoo dashboard. All products and variants will be available in one place. Your inventory will be updated automatically, and you can also manage your CRM and view settlement reports. Everything in one dashboard.